Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to copy your Discord server link on PC. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So when you head over right here to your URL, this is actually not the link of your server, this is just the link of your channel. And when you send this to people, they will not be able to join with this URL right here. So if you want the people to join your server, what you can do is you can click on this right here, which is the arrow down button just beside your server name. Click on this invite people, and in here you can just search for friends. But if you want to get your Discord server link, click on this right here and copy this. So you can also edit your invite link by clicking on this right here, and you can put in here an expiration. It can be 30 minutes up to never, or also you can put in here the max number of uses, so it can be limit or one use only depending on what you want. So for example, I'll just head over and put in here 6 hours and 1 limit. Click on this generate link. As you can see, a new link has been copied, so head over and copy on it and then send it to people who you want to actually join your server. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.